Hello there, investors. This is Eric Rosenberg here for FX Empire. Today we are going to look at the exciting platform at Nadex. That is short for the North American Derivatives Exchange. Now, derivatives are investments that derive their value from another underlying asset, like a stock or an index or a commodity. So what Nadex offers is a little different from what many stock and fund investors in the US are used to. So we're going to dive in, take a look at how it works, how its investment products function, and its platforms work online, and you can decide if it is right for your trading and investing goals. So here is a look at the main platform when you log in at Nadex. You'll notice at the top we're in a demo account here. It's noted by the big yellow demo button at the top right. It's worth noting that because anyone can sign up and give this a try for free. It is a fully featured demo account. You start with 25,000 imaginary dollars that you can test out your own strategies. If you're interested in Nadex at all, I highly recommend checking it out. That free account, that free demo, lets you decide, if this is right for you. It lets you get your feet wet. So we're diving in right now, looking at the three different products they have here. There are binary options, call spreads, and knockouts. For this walkthrough, we're going to focus on the binary options product. So let's take our look at our first trade here on the Nadex platform using binary options. Here's a list of all of the different binary options categories. They follow different indices here. You could trade based on indices, foreign exchange, different events, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. There are commodities available as well: gold, oil, natural gas, and silver. But we're going to look at indices right now. So you can see on this column on the right, the indice value right now and the expiration time. So let's say we want to trade based on the S&P 500. US 500 is synonymous for that here. And we want to make a bet based on what will happen between now and the end of the week. So at the time of this recording, that's just about 3 days away. So we can see the current price, the current value of the index, that's 45.67. And then here down below, you can pick the different binary options and see the prices. So that is a buy in the blue column or a sell in the red column, saying whether or not you think it will go up or down. We're going to click on one just to take a look and see what the probabilities and possibilities of making money are. So if you can see the question here: will the index be higher than the specific amount at the specific time on the expiration date? If you think yes, you can buy. The probability that that'll make money is very high, but the max ROI is actually negative, so we wouldn't want to buy that one. If you think it's going to be below that, there's a much lower probability, but you can make a lot more money. So you can see with all trades, or most trades here, there's either a yes or no option, and the probabilities are going to be opposite of each other because it's a yes and no. And the amount of money you stand to make depends on a whole bunch of different factors in the market. So you'll want to see, you'll see these change very quickly as market prices change. You can make bets based on very short terms, daily or hourly or weekly. So depending on your goal and what you're interested in, you might pick one of these indices or something else. To show you a little bit more about how the platform works, let's look at a binary option for cryptocurrencies. Those have been very popular lately. So here we will open up the options for Bitcoin. So Gemini Bitcoin is a Bitcoin exchange. So that's how the Nadex platform makes this function. Again, you can see here the investment price, and then whether you think it's going to go up or down based on certain price points. So right now the price is 62,256. So we can find the options if we think it's going to go up from there or down from there. So let's say you think it's going to go down. We can open this option and say you think it will finish lower than that price on the specific expiration time we picked. You can see the probability that you'll make money and the maximum ROI. That could actually be a decent bet there. You have a 50% probability, over 50% probability you're going to make money, and there's a good maximum ROI. But there's also a good chance it'll go down. So you never know. That is what your own trading skills and your own research help drive. If you get the bet right, you're going to make money. If you get it wrong, you're going to lose money. So let's say we are going to enter this trade. We think Bitcoin is going to be higher than that 60,000 number at the right time. We'll place our order. We'll buy one lot, a market order. And there it processes. So the order is received. So that is how easy it is to enter an order. Now we're going to navigate into the call spreads section. Right now, the Forex markets have some available call spread trades you can make. Like the binary options, you have options available to buy or sell, and you can see your maximum loss and maximum profit below. Now, again, these are advanced, highly technical trading tools. They're a lot different from buying a stock for a long-term passive portfolio. So it's best to only engage in binary options, call spreads, and knockouts if you truly understand what you're doing and the mechanics of the markets. Also note, because this is a demo account, you can try your luck. You can see if you really understand things. If you do well, you can transfer cash and fund a live account, maybe make some real money. Or if your strategies don't work out quite as well, there's no harm if you start with this demo account. So here I'm going to place an order just so you can see how it works. Let's say we think this is a buy here. We're going to hit the place order button. And we see our order has been received. So there is a floor and a ceiling. That is the spread of the contract. We can see the spread range right there. We'll see if we end up in or out of the money based on this position at the end of the trading period. Here is a look at the knockout section. Knockouts are a type of option that expire either worthless, you're either going to get zero at the end, or they're going to be in the money, you're going to make money. You can trade knockouts at Nadex based on indices, Forex, and commodities. We just pulled up indices. Again, we want to look at that US 500. We can pull up the different indices we might be interested in there, and then the different options underneath. So here is an option for the S&P 500 showing a specific range and your abilities to buy and sell. Below, again, you have a maximum loss and a maximum profit, and that's how the numbers crumble. So you have to decide if that is a trade you think is worthwhile, again, based on your own analysis, what you think is going to happen in the news, and other data. Just to test an order, we're going to click that place order button. You can see the contract has been received with a floor and ceiling rate defined. So again, we'd have to wait. This specific knockout option lasts for just about 3 more days from right now. So we have some time to see if it's going to be in the money with that max profit or a loser. So within each option product, you probably noticed we had a chart come up showing the latest data and the trends for the asset we're looking at. As you can see here, these charts are pretty flexible. There's tracking features. We can pick out specific target areas. We can look at different time periods. So maybe we want to look at a 4-hour chart. We can add different overlays or perhaps Bollinger Bands, different metrics and trends. So there's a lot we can do here. It's a pretty powerful tool. If you've ever used advanced trading tools before, you're likely familiar with much of what you can do here. So we won't have to dive in too deep. But if you have advanced trading experience, you'll probably feel at home here in the Nadex platform. Or if you're a beginner, you'll definitely want to start with a demo account in the education section to learn how everything works and what all of these charts and numbers mean. So thank you for joining us today for our walkthrough at Nadex. Also note there is a mobile app available. You can see a picture of that right here that has many of the same features we just saw on the desktop platform, but you can trade from your pocket, whether you're on your commute or sitting in a bathroom. Nobody does that, right? Nobody uses their phone in the bathroom or wherever else your travels and adventures take you. As long as you have a fast internet connection, you'll be good to go. And as you can also see on this homepage, for a limited time with a $1,000 deposit, you can start with a $100 bonus. So if you want to check it out, you can start with that demo account. If you like what you experienced and think Nadex offers the right financial products for your active trading strategy, you can get started with that initial deposit and earn a $100 bonus. So good luck with your trading strategy. Hopefully you come out with a lot of green. Thanks for joining us today, and have a profitable experience trading with Nadex. Thank you. Bye-bye.